It has 8 motors, 4 in the top plane, 4 in the bottom plane. Over here we've got the similar motor configuration, and then the pilot gets in standing up, and his head goes up there. He's got a very nice view out the front. It takes off vertically like this and then flies forward at 160 miles an hour, basically in Superman mode.
Battery development has really been moving forward over the last decades at a pretty good pace. That what has enabled cars like the Tesla to become reality today. We are riding that same curve, but we are recognizing that that same battery technology is going to allow us to power aircraft that make this kind of a craft very viable as we go into the future.
The customers that we view right now are first responders, medics that need to get onto the scene of an accident to treat trauma victims as soon as possible. Of course, the DoD has expressed interest in resupply, ship to shore, hot extraction kinds of applications. And then we've been approached by a number of wealthy people that want to fly from their lake house to the city and also off of their yachts. So there's a lot of potential applications for the vehicle. We will make this aircraft commercially available probably within 2 years, but it will be unrestricted. It will be an experimental class, and you'll have to have a pilot's license. In about 2026, we hope that we have autonomy built in so that there'll be the opportunity for anyone to fly it because it'll be computer controlled.